Got a real quick one here for you today. This is off that Ford tractor I showed you how to siphon gas out of. This is the carburetor. Through the disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly process, there was one major issue I found, and I kind of thought this was it going in, because I've actually seen this thing put a cloud of black smoke out around this throttle shaft before. And before I cleaned everything, there was a lot of carbon buildup and soot in this area. I'm not sure how well this is going to actually show up here on this video, but one of the things that I found while taking this apart is there's quite a bit of play in this throttle shaft. And what that means is this shaft is actually moving up and down, side to side, and basically creating a leak. There's also something wrong with it because it is loose where that was, and then it does not want to come out. In fact, I'm going to have to put the camera down for a second to do this. Alright. So another thing that I found while inspecting it, and I'm again not sure if this is really going to show up on this video camera, there's a little bit of a cut, like somebody was trying to do something to this throttle shaft right here where it actually seals. If you look down in through the throat, there is a rubber seal, which I replaced the rubber seal. I used the retainer that was in the carburetor because the one that came in my kit did not fit. The seal appears to be right though. So when I install the new throttle shaft, it slides right in its place. And all the play is gone. In fact, I actually had to clean some carbon and junk out of this side to get it to even install. So everything's nice and clean in the throttle bore. This throttle shaft is going to work properly. I need to put the butterfly back on the throttle shaft and go ahead and reinstall this. I'm probably going to use a little bit of blue Loctite on those throttle blades, or on the throttle blade screws, just because I really don't want those to fall out and get sucked into the engine. Not that it's really required, but there are actually lock washers as well. But that's it. That's what I found on this one. The rest of the carburetor looked to be in good functional condition. I did get a rebuild kit. All the seals and washers and stuff are new. We kept all the original jets. Honestly, I probably have almost as much into this one as a Chinese carburetor off of eBay, but I don't really like those Chinese carbs, so we're going to try this one out. Hopefully it'll run good.